Take a ride in the 2018 Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. And is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, ambient lighting, power brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.